welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today mostly I wanted to demo for you the Cololight, which is behind me here. This is one of the absolute coolest lights you will ever find. I like to say it's light art. It's not like adding a light to your house. It's really artful and artistic, and there are these hexagons, and you can attach them in any way you want to attach them to form different designs. And you'll see we have two sets, and one on each side of our fireplace. You can have them work together so that they're in sync and doing the same patterns, and you can have all different kinds of patterns. So while I'm talking, I'm going to jump over and be showing demo video of the two that I have going through different cool patterns and things. The possibilities are really endless. I mean, you really can have millions of different color combinations with these, which is really awesome. And they look really cool. They light solidly. It doesn't even look like light sometimes. It looks like someone is painting them different colors continuously, because you don't see individual lights inside of them. It appears to be a solid, just a solid visual color filling it. They are awesome, and you can attach them in bunches of different ways. You can display them how I have them displayed right now, which is sort of as a sculpture where they're on a base, but you can also attach them to the wall. If you get the wall, there's special units you use to attach them to the wall, and you can attach them to the wall and do different designs on the wall that make them really cool. There are just really millions of different color combinations, because you can change the brightness level, which is a basic thing, but you can also choose tons and tons of different patterns. Then inside each pattern you can choose different colors with those patterns, and you can change the speed in which it changes, and changing the speed can completely change the look of it. So there are really literally, again, just millions of different patterns, unlimited color, pattern, light combinations to make them do all different kinds of things. They're a little bit more on the pricey side, but I like to say that's because, again, you're not just buying a light. If you were just buying a light, then yes, but it's not a light. It is literally art. It is a light form art, or an artistic light piece is what I would say. But they are cool. They are unlike anything else I think out there, and I think there are a few other things that are sort of similar in nature. I think these are the best. I think that the shape of them allows for a lot better manipulation of the way you put them together to create different cool, unique structures versus some of the other things that are out there. And I think they're smaller, which I think is actually an advantage, because it gives you more, again, of that solid light where you don't have any gaps in the light. It's all like a solid painted piece, and then the way you can attach them together to form different things. And then the app is just amazing, because in the app you tell the app how you have them attached and how you want the light to flow, and then that directs how the different patterns work when you're going through different patterns, or when you change the pattern. It's just really cool, and you can see in the demo footage there how many different color combinations that you can, not just color combinations, but different patterns. I mean, in my demo, that's just like, you know, one probably 10,000th of the possibilities, probably even less, because there really are so many possibilities. Again, they're called Cololight. Specifically Cololight. You have to be careful. There are some imitations out there that are not as capable and cannot do everything these can do. These are specifically called Cololight, and you definitely, if you want ones that operate this way and have all these features and look this amazing and work this amazing, then you have to make sure you're looking for the right ones. You got to make sure you're getting the Cololight. So be on the lookout for that. Now, they are available on Amazon. Of course, and I'm going to have links in the description below specifically to these ones on Amazon. Make sure there's different styles. There's some that just come with the base and the connectors to put it on the base. There's others that come with the wall connectors if you want to attach them to the wall. And now you can control a ton of them with one controller, but they say power-wise, if at full power, it maxes out at about 20-ish, I think 20 to 24 is a maximum that can run off of one power source. And then if you're going to add additional ones, you can control them through the one main controller, but you'll need to have a second power source in order to have them all have the full power they need to operate the way they need to operate. So make sure you're paying attention to that. But there's different packages, smaller packages, bigger packages that you can get with more or less. And they are just really beautiful, really unique. Again, I just think one of the absolute coolest art structures, light art structures you can possibly get to add to your home. Just very, very awesome. And again, it is called Cololight. So I will have that link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that link and jump over there and check out the different versions, read what other people have said about it, pick some up for yourself. Anyway, that's it for this review. Again, it was mainly about the demo of just seeing what they look like for people who are interested in the product. But if you have any questions, anything I didn't cover, feel free to post it in the description below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.